Step 1. Go on to youtube.com and search for a video that you want to watch. Step 2. Click on this video like this and watch it for 30 seconds. Step 3. Use this amazing website to make money like all of these people. If you love to watch videos and you want to make money online, then don't miss out on this video, because in this video I will be teaching you guys the step-by-step method that you can use to make money online just by simply watching YouTube videos. Later on in the video, I will also show you guys the payment proofs of people earning from this website. So you might ask, how much money can we make watching these videos? And the answer is that you will make $3 if you watch one video. You will make $30 if you watch 10 videos. And you will make $150 if you watch 40 videos per day. Now, the crazy thing is that you can do this step over and over again, making you a ton of money. This method is completely for free and is available worldwide. This means that you can be anywhere in the world and use this amazing technique to make a ton of money online. All you need to do this method is your mobile phone, which you probably have right now, and a good internet connection. So, are you interested in making money online using this amazing technique? If yes, then let's get started. This is Income Profit and I share easy ways you can use to make money online. So if you are interested in making money online, consider subscribing to my channel and also turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I upload a new video. If you have any questions related to today's video, comment them below and I will make sure to reply to you as fast as possible. So first, I want you to go on to youtube.com. After you are on YouTube, make sure to sign in to your Google account by clicking on this sign in button. After you are signed into your account, select a video that you want to watch. You can make money simply just by watching any of these videos here. You can even go into the trending tab and select a video from there to watch. Now for this video, I'm going to select the gaming niche as I love to watch gaming videos. If I come onto the gaming section right here, you can see that a ton of people per day come over here to watch these videos, but they don't know how to make money from it. And that's what I'm going to teach you guys. So as you can see, here are so many videos to choose from. If we scroll down, you can see that there is a popular section right over here. And these are all the videos that are popular right now on YouTube. I'm going to choose the first one as it's the most popular one in this niche. So after we have selected our YouTube video, now comes the part of making money from it. And for that, we have to go onto the second website. And the website is called short.st. As you can see that this website pays you to shorten links and make money from it. So as you can see here, if we take a look at their payout rates, they are giving $14 if we bring a visitor from the US to our link. And as you can read it here, it says that it's the highest payout. If you can bring a visitor from the UK, you will make $10. And similarly, if you bring a visitor from the Canada, you will make around $5. There is a huge list that you can read to see which country pays the most, so you can target the people living in those countries. This website has a lot of options that you can choose from to cash out your earnings. You can use PayPal, Payeer and WebMoney to cash out your earnings. Now that we have taken a look at their payout rates, we need to go back to our YouTube video. And from here, simply click on this share button. After that, click on the copy link button, which will copy the link of the video. After you have properly copied the link, go back to our website. Now, before shortening your link, make sure to create your free account and log in. After that, paste your URL here and click on the shorten link button. Now that we have shortened our link, we are going to share it. You can share your link anywhere you want. As long as it gets views, you are going to make money. But if you don't have any platform to share your link, you can go onto reddit.com. It's a really popular website that you can use to share your links. There are different communities that you can join and start sharing your links. You can see health and fitness, gaming, funny/humor, etc. etc. You can use this amazing website to share your links for free. And after you have shared your links, people will come and click on your link and then they will see a safe advertisement. After they have watched the advertisement, you are going to make money. And that's it. These were all of the steps that you need to take to make money online watching videos. I hope you found this video helpful. Leave a like if you did, and also before you go, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Here are more awesome videos that you can watch. They will also help you in making money online, and I will see you guys in the next one.